Hi, this is Scott at ISE 2025 in Barcelona. I know you want to get the most out of your AV investments at Panopto, and that's why I'm here in the Epiphan booth with Director of Marketing, Dan Wallace. Dan, tell me a little bit about what our Panopto customers should know about Epiphan.
Well, Epiphan builds Pearl recording, streaming, and capture devices like this Pearl Nexus that you see right here. And these devices are purpose-built for classrooms, auditoriums, any space where you want to capture all of the audio and video sources that you might have in that room. And we integrate very closely with Panopto. You can manage your entire network of Pearl devices through a cloud. You can integrate them with your Panopto content management system, and you can be automatically transferring all of your recordings to Panopto using these devices. So it really simplifies and automates that video workflow.
Great. And what are you highlighting here at ISE this year? What's new?
Here at ISE, Epiphan is promoting our huge integrations update. So not only with Panopto, we also integrate with Crestron and QSYS touch panels. We have a lot of ways that you can use our robust API to really streamline that video workflow and customize it to exactly what you might need.
Well, have a great show.
Yeah, great to see you, Scott.
You too.
Thanks.